Hey guys, today let's learn to fix Snapchat add friends not working. So in the case that whenever you basically add some friends on Snapchat and then the option is not necessarily working for you and you cannot really add some friends on here if you want to add for these friends. So what could be the problem with this option when you tap on add friend and it's not really responding properly to you? Well, you need to make sure first that you are connected stably with your internet connection. So make sure over on your Wi-Fi connection that you are connected properly, and if you are, that's good to go. But basically from here, you should also make sure that you are connected stably with your Wi-Fi again, but you could also try your cellular data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is gonna work better for you. So if you found already which one between the two is gonna work better, then just go with that and that should solve your problem. Now, one more fix that you could also do is to launch your app stores, and I want you to search for Snapchat over here. And once you have successfully searched for Snapchat, I want you to make sure that you have already updated your applications to its latest version. So if there is an update available, I would like you guys to update your applications as soon as possible so that all of the bugs like this will be fixed and new features will also be added. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next video.